Dear students, for 11th science, another part which is related with the chapter hydrocarbon alkane. This another part, properties. The first point is physical properties of alkane. Physical properties of alkane. In this physical property part, we are going towards small points related with this property. The first point is first four alkanes are gases. You know that. Which are they? First four alkane means what? The first alkane is methane. Methane is gas. C2H6, ethane is gas. Then C3H8, propane is gas. And C4H10, it is butane. It is propane. It is ethane, and it is methane. First four alkanes are in gaseous state. Physical property. Physical property is one of the property. Then another 5 to 7. 5 to 7. Carbon number 5, carbon number 6, carbon number 7. Carbon number 5, pentane, hexane, heptane. Pentane, hexane, heptane. These are liquids. These alkanes are in liquid state. Means gases, particles when come in contact with each other, they are converted to liquid form. Here, number of carbon increases, then this hydrocarbon, that is alkane, is converted into its physical state. 5 to 17, near about. 5 to 17, not 5 to 7, 5 to 17. And after this, up to 17 it is liquid. After 18, after the long chain, 18 carbons, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 10-membered ring. 10-membered ring, decane. Decane, dodecane is the first property, changing their physical properties from gas to liquid to solid. Okay. We are going to second physical property. The physical property is also important. किसी एक physical property का use कहीं question में हो सकता है. Question number 2. This alkane consists of carbon and hydrogen bonds. Suppose methane. These carbon and hydrogen bonds are there. These carbon and hydrogen bonds are there. These carbon and hydrogen bonds are non-polar. Non-polar means positive and negatively charged polarity is not developed in between these two bonds. The polar character development related with electronegative character. किसी एक के पास इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी अगर ज्यादा होती है तो पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव चार्जेस, इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड, ऑड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होता है इसका. एग्जाम्पल है हाइड्रोजन एंड फ्लोरीन. In this hydrogen and fluorine, in between this, the region around this hydrogen atom, s orbital, and this is p orbital. When s orbitals and p orbitals overlap with each other, by sp overlap, HF bond is formed. but this electron cloud somewhat more shifted around fluorine. The darkness around fluorine indicate that there is no darkness at all. Fluorine is more powerful to attract electron towards itself because it has tendency to accept electron very fast. More powerful, more electronegative. So this bond is polar bond. Such type of polarity is not present in alkane because they are non-polar, and non-polar bond due to similar electronegativity same. Electronegativity carbon and hydrogen near about same. Electronegativity of carbon and hydrogen is near about same. Due to similar electronegative character of carbon and hydrogen, odd distribution or unequal distribution of electron cannot take place. Unequal distribution of electron cannot take place. It means that here such type of positive and negatively charged area is not developed. So it is non-polar, and so it is non-polar when this CH4 and CH4 molecule 2, molecule 3, molecule 4, they are coming in contact with each other. The force of attraction between CH4, 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 such type of force between molecules is known as van der Waals force of attraction. And this van der Waals force of attraction of alkane molecules are weak. Alkane, in between one alkane molecule and another alkane molecule, the van der Waals force of attraction is weak. Van der Waals force of attraction. Van der Waals force of attraction. Van der Waals force of attraction is weak. Van der Waals force of attraction is weak. This is van der Waals force of attraction due to non-polar character. Non-polar character. Polarity related with difference in the electronegativity. जितना electronegativity difference ज़्यादा होता है in between the atoms which forms a bond, the distribution, which is electron distribution, shared electron pair distribution is somewhat unequal. This unequal nature indicates that positively charged and negatively charged, partial positive negative charges get developed. They are temporary, but they shows their effect. Okay. This is our second physical property. Second physical property, we are going on physical properties of alkane. Our heading is physical properties of alkane. These are our physical properties. Next physical property, which is third physical property, it means that the CH3 bond CH2 bond CH3 bond CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3 no CH2 CH3 1 2 3 4 5. It is a pentane having surface area like this. Longest chain or longer chain has more surface area. ये surface area CH3 bond CH2 bond CH2 bond CH2 bond CH3, ये जो कांटेक्ट एरिया है ना, ये सरफेस का कांटेक्ट बहुत ज्यादा है. this molecule and this molecule, greater the surface area, greater is molecular force of attraction. This surface area is greater the surface area, greater molecular force of attraction. One molecule and two molecule attracts more force of attraction. मोर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन का मतलब क्या है बेटे? ज्यादा सरफेस एरिया है, ये पॉइंट से, more and more part which is to be contacted, and when more part contacted with each other, the force, molecular force of attraction, molecular force is greater. Molecular force of attraction is greater. Molecular force of attraction part is very important. Means straight chain alkanes. It is a straight chain alkane. It is N-pentane. When N-pentane, N-hexane, N-heptane, N-octane, larger surface area, come in contact with each other, their force is greater, attraction force is greater. 1 octane and 1 octane. But what about branched chain? Suppose this carbon having one CH3 branch, another CH3 bond, another CH3. It means in this propane, 2 CH3 branches are there. This methyl and this methyl. By taking this CH3, second molecule, this CH3. Actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. यह है 1, 2, 3. 2,2-dimethyl propane. 2,2-dimethyl propane. In this 2,2-dimethyl propane, the surface area decreases when this molecule come in contact with another same molecule. The surface area, contacted area is minimum. Surface area is minimum. Contacted area is minimum. Due to minimum contact area, such type of attraction force is weaker. Such type of attraction force is lower. It means that branched chain alkanes have lower attraction force. Branched chain molecules have lower molecular force of attraction. 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 This indicates that what is the role of this attraction force of normal chain compounds and branched chain compound. What type of role is there? This force of attraction related or directly affects on melting point and boiling point of alkane. Such type of attraction force is greater, so more amount of energy is required to separate molecules and molecules. When molecules get separated, breaking of bond takes place, more amount of energy is required. So with respect to this more amount of energy, its melting point and boiling point is greater. This attraction force is lower. जितना attraction force lower होता है, उतना amount of it required to separate these molecule. Amount of it required to separate these molecule is somewhat lower than melting point and boiling point of branched chain alkane. आपको देंगे वहाँ पे 2 example देंगे, फिर पूछेंगे what is melting point and boiling point. It means that branched chain alkanes have melting point and boiling point lower. Melting point and boiling points are lower, or lower melting point and lower boiling point, and straight chain alkanes have greater melting point than greater boiling point. It is the physical property. Next physical property related with melting point and boiling point. Yes, okay. We are going toward the last physical property of alkane. Physical property which is very important. In this physical property, मैंने आपको बताया था, first physical property, the CC and CH bonds are non-polar, equal electronegative, therefore which holds non-polar molecules together, this force of attraction is very weak. Larger the surface area, stronger the intermolecular force of attraction. Intermolecular force of attraction for straight chain is greater than branched chain. Straight chain alkanes have higher melting point and boiling points. And the last part is alkanes are colorless and odorless. The last part is alkanes are colorless and odorless. This is the physical property. तो क्वेश्चन अराइज होता है melting point of this N-heptane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 carbons are there. Here 2, 4 plus 3. 7 carbons are there. Similar carbons. It is a straight chain. It is a branched chain. The name nomenclature of this, the basic chain is 2 plus 2, 4, 5. It is pentane. Pentane. 1, 2, 3. 3,3-dimethyl. 3,3-dimethyl pentane. 3,3-dimethyl pentane is branched chain due to surface area. Contacted surface area is less of another molecule. So melting point of this is less than melting point of this because contacted surface area is greater. Contacted surface area is greater than another. More amount of surface area get contacted. Here more amount of heat is required to melt this because molecular force of attraction is greater than molecular force of attraction of this. It is a branched and it is a straight chain. It is the main part. तो ऐसे कुछ एग्जाम्पल आपके सामने आएंगे और आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी है, क्यों है. ओके, गुड बाय. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ अल्केन. ओके, थैंक यू, बाय बाय.